Okay, so that was the first session done. I've had a bit of a problem with misfire again, but I think I might have found the problem. It might well have been the rotor arm, but we're going to give it a try and we'll see. But yeah, it's good. Lovely day. So just when we think we're perfect, this video just proves that I'm not. And unfortunately, the footage from the car hasn't been great all day because I had the camera on time lapse and it just doesn't look right when I slow it down. So I do apologise for that. Well, I had a bit of a trying day really. This is why we go testing, because we find out all our flaws with the car, and I didn't have many good runs because I just couldn't get the engine to rev properly. Yeah.
You come here with a Grease Spring Cafe. How do?
Got anything to say?
I need to go faster.
Can you go faster?
I need to go faster, yeah.
That's right.
The car, at the moment, the car outdoes the capabilities of the driver quite easily.
Yeah. They tend to do that, don't they?
Yeah. But hey, only one way to go.
Nice to see you out.
Thank you.
Oh, so you got anything to say to YouTube fans?
How hard can it be? Really hard? Right.
It's cars.
Yeah. Right. It's just obviously starting fresh. We've not got anything.
So fellow competitor and engineer and engine builder Andrew Tart was there, and he suggested maybe the engine's a little bit rich, which I think it was. And so we decided, he got a selection of jets there, so we decided to slowly lean the engine off. It was a little bit risky move because you're not quite sure, and it will have to go on a rolling road. But by doing this, and Andrew was very kind enough to, I'd do a few laps and I'd come in and he'd change a jet and we'd go out and see if it was better. And so towards the end, the engine was getting better, and it did mean that at least I could get a few laps in. so there we go. That was Mallory Park. A bit of a trying day, if truth be told. But I suppose that's why we go testing. I didn't have much luck with the car. Definitely didn't have much luck with my cameras because I was recording my in-car footage on the wrong setting. But hey ho, we live and learn, don't we? It's been a couple of days now, and I've been busy on the farm. There's been lots going on the farm, but I've now got lots to do with the car. So I want a big shout out to Andrew Tart because he was really useful. He was really helpful. He got a whole box of different jets to try in the car, but you know, a couple of the sessions he didn't go out in his car to help me out, so I'd go out and do a couple of laps, come back in, and we did go too far. We made it too lean, so I didn't run the car much. I came in, and towards the end we were getting a mixture that was okay, but it was a bit risky really. I really need to put it on a rolling road, and our next race is at Goodwood. So what I've ordered some sustainable fuel, which is what we've got to run on. So I'm going to put that in and take it onto the rolling road, and we'll set the car up with that. Towards the end I started having problems with the clutch as well, which was a little bit annoying because I put a new set of tyres on. I really wanted to put a heat cycle in. I did a few laps on there, so the release agent has gone, but I didn't really bed the tyres in properly. So we've got to look at the clutch and see what that was. I think I hadn't set the clutch stop properly, and that's just an oversight when I was building the car up. It was a bit of a rush in the end to put it all back together, and I think I might have put the clutch over centre. So but I'll have to take the gearbox out and have a look at that. So it was a really good day because the sun shone. You meet up with old acquaintances, and there was a couple of drivers there that are new to the championship, so that was good to see them out in their cars. So you know, despite the fact that my day didn't go as well as expected, I had an absolutely fantastic day. It was, and you couldn't have asked for better weather. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Not quite sure. Next weekend I'm racing the MGB at Donington, so that'll probably be the next video. But I have got to get on with this because Goodwood's, was it 3 or 4 weeks away now? So and it'll all depend on when and where I can get a rolling road session. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. And remember, how hard can it be?